guys, let's just unpack on the Mummy Club season 3 part 2 reunion. Hey, labo mama guys akuzwaniwe. So you remember Go Happy is not necessarily helping out when it comes to Uvuyi umngani wakhe. She's not standing up for her. And Uvuyi guys, my thing is that she was now trashing everybody. She must just apologize. As it is, that's just my thing. And then ngapha uThithi naye uzokhuluma indaba zakhe that whole thing yokuthi futhi yena wayengafuni ukushutha lutho. She didn't want to do shoots, ezinye izinto ngathi sezim-irritate and all of that, and how she wasn't nice also to her mom. And that whole thing yakhe futhi iminyaka. You know, Titi's age is just a mystery now all of a sudden. Nagcina kudala kuthiwa uThithi una-16. On 2023. Beginning of 2023 kwathiwa una-16. Manje she's just had a birthday party. A very huge birthday party, but we were not told how old is Titi. Kade sekhala-ke uThithi ke some stage esho nje ukuthi that day meze bexabana futhi noma wakhe yena she didn't wanna be on camera on that day, but the mom is like nje mina all I want from you nje ukuthi ungihloniphe ungi-acknowledge, but every season now uThithi she's just rude to the mom. That's just my thing. So the mom was just like nje ngifuna ukuthi ungi-appreciate and listen to me. Maybe ngakidnapha guys, ukidnapha bese ngingenaphi maybe even here. There was no need for that. Hey, I'd say no, I just want you to appreciate me because I'm a single mom and I'm doing my best. And I feel good is just spoiling her children with money. I think at the end, especially with the UTT, she ends up not knowing how to control it. She doesn't know. Because I'm lahlenga I mean, UTT uthenge diamond walk, guys. She wears Gucci's, she's never really worked. And then at the same time, Umawake is like, to appreciate. There's some way they would between the two of them where you now end up not knowing how to raise her sort of and put her foot down and be like, la la me mom, and I'm a single mother and I'm doing everything for you. I appreciate it. We are about manjagasazi to control and then it comes out now good TV. It comes off as like, yo, Lingani is uncontrollable. Mama she can't raise her children, like what's going on. For me, even on season 2, it was like that. I was just like, wait, doesn't know when to put her foot down with it. And be firm and be like, hey, umawako, look on your child and be like, out everything for you, funani ganti. What is it? Good diamond walk. The sentence is, guys, just imagine. Happy Gavele has all the money for that ticket, but I think she just uses it too much to a point where it's unnecessary. Yeah, that's just my thing. Utis is also a DJ. This DJing thing is in it. Utiti got I did mention ukuthi she doesn't want her life to be recorded. It's a lot. Camera yabahlula. That's so your words. I'm just like, it's a lot for Ringane vele in any case. Mhlambe Utiti should have just been left alone. But this time also, azange bavele kangaka ingane. This is why people were like, I'm one of those people who were like, in Mummy Club, what is it all about then? If they're not going to show the children and the mummies and the nannies. This time, the nannies, like you don't even know them. You just see them on photos, Lapano Pila, but that's it. You don't see them anywhere else. I'm just like, why? Don't forget about Mrs. J when she was complaining about the television for tonight. She's amazed her children were not shown. Besides the good Lomunye never really came even on part 1 year reunion. You remember I made that video where she was complaining to Mrs. J how abantu abafuna ukuveza ingane zethu. And then what is the story? She didn't have a problem with the children showing on TV, and then she was trashing the producers of the Mummy Club production. Basically, she was just like, "Hi, Suga, the way they treated us and stuff, And we about there's more she wanted to say it, but she didn't say it. I'm just like, hey, there's a lot there, the Mummy Club going on, To Mrs. J, they did have like a shoot with her children, but it didn't show. And she's just like, I don't have a say. So I'm going to expose people. I'm going to speak about it, So after Titi's story and then she comes Rosette, Anita Kombulo, she's a friend of the show. She's friends with Noxie basically. She came because of Noxie when you look at it though. And then she comes, she doesn't close her mouth. She doesn't mince her words. On part 2, I realized actually Rosette Nai, she's not necessarily nice. I'm learning other things about her just as much as I was just like, you know what? We needed her good team to put a Peladi in her place for Noxie. You understand? You know those type of friends that stand up for you. We needed her for that. But Manje, also other things that she was saying are not true. Other things are just not helping us. They're not factual. Like, what is that all about? But she's just like, when I'm happy, when you're in the diary session, you said some things about my friend. Obviously, I mean, Noxie wakhe. You said ukuthi kwazi kangcono engekho uNox in. And also guys, people felt ukuthi mina for example, I felt ukuthi uNoxie came there because of Happy. Uyabona leyo nto uthi uHappy was buying a house through her because she's a realtor yena angithi. So she was buying a house through her and then but uHappy I just felt ukuthi never stood up for Noxie once. I remember that dinner when Noxie was wearing a pink dress. She even cried and then together. She didn't really say nice things to a point where like, I'm comforting you, I'm here for you, cried mina, no. Happy was not for that, the season. I don't know if you saw her. Happy at some stage Happy Manj on part 1. She was like to Mrs. Sande. Now I see Mrs. Sande actually will never didn't take any sides for anyone this time. Uvuyi umngani wakhe athi Vuyi my friend, apologize to these ladies, the stuff that you've said to them, apologize. No, ufika nje ngathi she's in usesayidini lavuyi but not necessarily like kubona lo two-faced Happy. Actually I think that's the nice way to say now, especially on part 2. Two-faced Happy. Happy doesn't know where she stands. Uyafana no Mrs. Sande akanamgogodla akana big bone. And then another thing that Uvuyi was doing now was fighting Peladi's fights. You can't do that, bruh. You're supposed to fight your own things. Lo muntu didn't show up for reunion part 1 and part 2. She doesn't care. Instead, uhambe wayikhuluma ngabanye abantu, uBalisa's voice, you know, and trashing people there. Like, please stop. Ukhulumela lo muntu lo. Uvuyi was just like, bruh, now, wenzani? You don't even know Peladi like that. We've just met her like the mommy club. Now she's like a bosom friend. Ongamele umfele. Like why? Untombi this time was better on the host. Better on part 2. But at the same time, she's not necessarily telling Uvuyi, can you just apologize, Ogubon, so that we can move on, take accountability? No, she didn't do that. She was just like, hey, okay. Whatever Vuyi wants. Like, Ugubana, you can have your way. And Uvuyi, guys, wasn't taking accountability. Uvuyi. Mombozo, she'll throw the question back to you. Like, just like this lady, guys. Like, what is she even doing? Like, and then again, it came as Leanto Lega Vuyi Puti judging Mrs. J's hands. I to Mrs. J is bleaching. Was it to Mrs. J again and Dabage? I'd rather have my black hands than have a black heart. Guys. And then Mrs. J was shouting, man, just say angry, and then she ended up crying. So, guys, sometimes you say stuff to people, you don't know the impact. You understand? Because you don't know what people have been through. That's why sometimes you need to check out before and say trashy things about people. Because it wasn't nice with the Mommy Club. Like I'm saying, if the Mommy Club does come back, I don't even see anyone coming back. I can't picture them. On season 4, if you've ever felt like that, I can't picture you on season 4. What would you look like? We born alone. Unoxie crazy and goes outside. Obviously, I mean, Rosette is going to follow her, shame and comfort her and all of that. And then Happy does also follow through and be like, okay, I'm sorry, Noxie, but it looked genuine to me. She was just like, I'm sorry, Noxie, for everything. And like I'm saying, Happy also had said, mina, accountability, I will take it if it's for me. I'll take ownership. I've phone go by low to who's like whatever. Like you know those type of people who are bangas good by maybe. Just as much I've just said now to Happy sometimes manj bengati agazazo maybe the fact that she can't tell her friend of you, say, please. There's no need. Just zehlise and be like, I'm sorry. And apologize to these ladies. Uvi never apologize to anyone, guys. My thing is that in Japan, to be fun about apologizing, umuntu azehlise and be like, hey, ngiyakhumbula ngisho leyo nto, and I'm really, really, really sorry about that. Yeah, and at times it does actually help to just humble yourself. She did that to her, hey. She was just like, I'm sorry, Noxie. You remember ukuthi Mrs. J end up umuntu ongafuni nokuza ku-part 2, and she wanted to walk off on part 2 of the Mami Club in the reunion because Mrs. J angithi still on the tip where she was now exposing the production of the Mami Club ukuthi yazi mina ezami ingane akaze zevezwe. And then when she realizes ukuthi ingane zika the shoots that they did for ingane zika Vuy's children and Titi, oh, she went crazy, bruh. On that set, she was just like, hey, mina ezami ingane ini. She wanted to walk off again. I was just like, oh, guys, it's a lot. And then before she walked out to get Mrs. J when she was now angry, and then she was just like, Yazin happy, I love you. When I know you are my friend, and now Rosette, you are my BFFs, and then we enjoyed it, just looked at her. So I was just like, even now, we mentioned I did my son is in just because akafuna bleach. Guys, people must bleach. Just leave people with their man. I mean, I've studied it. So as my phone bleach, my phone sick or something sick. Just when I get I'll never do those things. I mean, this number 2 bars, guys. Like I could never. I don't know how she does it. I'm just like, Opuzani, before she does it, because there's no way, guys, I can do those things. It's either uzophuza something before, besides the anesthetics there, uzophuza something before or and after. There's no way. Those things you can see with the aso. So guys, abantu mayifuna ukubleach abayenza ama-nip tax nama-bun tax. Guys, they can do it. Iyeka abantu nezindlela zabo ezimnyama. Ngoba abantu mase begiva futhi kube sengathi bayakusuke. But my thing is that Mrs. J never apologized to anyone, guys. And then she walked off. That's it. She's not coming back on Mami Club. We must just know, guys, and move on with our lives. I'm just like, those ladies are a lot. And there's something that nice that Lokuzana said. Because sometimes where there's women abanye, like you cannot stand each other. It's not even about jealousy or anything like that. It's more like Jay as one. She was just like Jay. Sometimes women can't stand each other. They don't help each other out. That's what I said. I was just like, Mami Club, manje. If you know episode 1, episode 2 of season 5, of season 3, sorry, on the Mami Club, I didn't mention guys, labo mama like they're not mummies. They're not helping each other as mummies. Groom each other, help each other grow as people financially or whichever way, really. But there's a lot of ways, and there's a lot of things we can do as mummies. No, these mummies, guys, they were trashing each other. But don't tell us just like what are the husbands saying or doing? What are the children saying? So it becomes too much and toxic. And uyasho, like she didn't bring toxicity to this season. Rosette, I was like, you are the ones that brought toxicity here. I'm just like, you're not any better. You're not better, bruh. You're the same as these ladies. It's just when you came for us at the time we were cheering you up, it's because you came wazo babizinophela. You're like, oh, what's going on? Who's going to put Peladi in her place? We needed that because Peladi was just getting out of hand. And then when she saw, oh, and back on abantu who are actually the same level as me, she ran away. Guys, Vu is very, very silly, eh? Abesithi Mrs. J just before she walked out, wena Mrs. Sunday, I'm so proud of you. And then as she's walking off, uVuyi uyaqala uyahleka uNtombi ambuza ukuthi uhlekani wena Vuyi. Athi Mrs. Vuyi kuNtombi, hayi no, I was just nje laughing ukuthi ene happy, like ukubona ukuthi happy mhlawumbe ucabangani, and happy it's nothing to say na. And then uNtombi, hayi brother, tell us ukuthi uhlekani. But I just feel ukuthi usile nje uVuyi. I'm sure ubemhleka ukuthi, oh please, she never said anything nice about me anginandaba. Ladies sometimes, oh mama nabai. So Vuyike does actually apologize again at the end, but now Mrs. J akasekho kanti yena no Mrs. J masubo le ndaba beyingabo. So apologize akuba ngaze apologize kuno sikakhulu cause Rosette didn't really take Vuyi serious. Rosette was like, it's among at some stage when they were sitting at that pajama party that they had, that Mrs. J had for them. So I'm just like, she doesn't care about Vuyi Rosette, and Rosette Vuyi Rosette. I mean, you know. So she was just like, I apologize, but it looked genuine. Because I did take that apology, and I was just like, I was just getting to apologize and just humble yourself. And be like, I'm so sorry, ladies. Because it helps, guys, so that we can be able to move on. Guys, the season I mean, was not for me. Yakubula, I've said it on episode 1 and 2. Good, this is not gonna work for me. I don't know. This is why I'm getting coming back. I don't think it's gonna happen unless in another lifetime or wishing Jabantu completely. I don't know. Just as much as people think like Ohepi is the boss now of the Mami Club, but after Mrs. Mops left, but I'm just like whatever, you know. Yeah, but for me it wasn't that great. You must just tell me your thoughts. They were just toxic. These ladies, they didn't help each other in any way. But I'm going to end it there, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Again, Tanda over.